Hey guys, today I'll show you how to move items between groups in monday.com. First, open your board and find the item you want to move. Click the three-dot menu to the left of the item's name, then select Move To, then Move to Group. Then choose the target group from the list. If you want to move multiple items at once, use Batch Actions. Select several items using the checkboxes. Then on the toolbar that appears at the bottom, click Move To, then Move to Group, and pick your destination group. After the move, quickly check that your items landed correctly. Confirm that updates and sub-items followed with the item. If you move across boards, look out for unsupported column types. Some data may not port perfectly in cross-board moves. And that's how you move items between groups in monday.com. Thanks for watching.